In this tutorial, we will learn about the line command in a depth view. Let's start. This is the line with the help of line command. Line rectangle is the unclosed, the closed rectangle. So how to use this line command in a Creo? The sketch here, sketch are. So how to start? First of all, we will click on the new option here. New option. After that, we will click on the new option. After that, new window is open. This is the new window is open. In this option, I will select the part option. I am selecting this part option. Then click on the OK button. If you want to change the part name, if you want to change the part name, look like part 1 2 3. Okay, then click on the default. This is the default part name, and then part name will be changed as per your requirement. Then after that, new window will be opened. Then click on OK. Here, this is the new window will be open. This is the new window. Okay, and then select the any plane. I will here select the click the sketch tools. We saw one pop-up window is open. Here one pop-up window is open. In this pop-up window, we will select the any plane. If you want any plane, I will take a top. Okay, in any plane, I'm taking the top plane, and now I will click on the sketch toolbar here, and then after that we can do the sketch. Okay, we saw a cursor here. First click on the line. We saw after clicking the on the line, we saw a cursor end. See cursor end, one point is shown. This point show your line command is activated. This is the very important. This is a basic tutorial, so I will explaining in depth. The one point is shown in the cursor. Okay, in this manner your command will be activated, and this area also is a highlighted. Okay, now with the help of this command we will make this line. Click anywhere here, then click here. In this working area, this is the working area. This all are the working area. Okay, in this working area, anywhere you click the cursor, first point and then second point, then first point, then second point. This way your line will be created. Okay, if you want to create any rectangle here, this way, line will be developed. You want to, if you want to execute this command, how to execute this command? This is the very important in this tutorial. How to execute this command? If you want to click this line, your line will be continuously. Okay, so how can execute this command? This is a very important. Okay, in Creo, two options are available. First option, click on the above tool menu bar, click on the select option. This is the very important. One by one, select item one by one. Select here. Your command will be execute. Okay, this way again you will see here, if you create a line this way, and then if you want to execute this command, then click on the select one by one option, select here. This is the your command will be execute. Okay, and also you will shown here your command will be executed. Take another example this way. If you want to execute this command, then click on here. This way you will execute the command. Okay, and when you execute the command, automatically all the lines are defined, because Creo is a parametric software. All the relation are the self-developed. If you want to change the length of the value, then double click on the given value as a taken the dimension as per requirement. If you want to change the value, click and then change here this way. Click and change this way. If you want to change this value, click and then 20. This way your value will be changes. Okay, this way 100. Okay, this way your value will be changes. This is the parametric software. If you want to highlight, if you want to this way, if you clicking this way, so how to normal this command, click here. This way your sketch will be normal along the plane. Okay, and then second option, how to execute this command. If you want to another example, mouse, one of the most important method is to click on the mouse middle roller in a 2 times at any 2 times mouse middle button या mouse roller button 2 times click, you will execute this command this way. Okay, and then how to execute mouse middle button 2 times click, this way you will execute the command. This is the very basic tutorial for Creo Designer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more video.